At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a business can be a lucrative venture, especially if you're targeting the beverage industry or the packaging sector. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the demand for canned products in your target market. Analyze consumer preferences, competitors, and potential suppliers. Identify any gaps or opportunities in the market. 2. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, products, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help secure funding if needed. 3. Legal considerations. Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Register your business name and obtain any necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. 4. Location. Select a location for your canning facility. Consider factors such as proximity to suppliers, access to transportation, and zoning regulations. Ensure the facility meets health and safety standards for food production. 5. Supplier relationships. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers for raw materials, such as aluminum sheets for cans, lids, and packaging materials. Negotiate favorable terms and secure contracts to ensure a steady supply chain. 6. Equipment and machinery. Invest in high-quality canning equipment and machinery suitable for your production volume and product requirements. This may include concealers, fillers, labelers, and sterilization equipment. 7. Quality control. Implement stringent quality control measures to ensure the integrity and safety of your canned products. Adhere to industry standards and regulations for food production and packaging. 8. Branding and packaging. Develop a strong brand identity for your canned products. Design eye-catching packaging that communicates your brand message and attracts consumers. Consider eco-friendly packaging options to appeal to environmentally conscious customers. 9. Distribution and sales. Determine your distribution channels, whether through retailers, wholesalers, or direct-to-consumer sales. Develop a sales strategy to promote your products and expand your market reach. Consider online sales platforms and e-commerce channels for additional revenue streams. 10. Marketing and promotion. Execute a marketing plan to raise awareness of your brand and products. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, advertising, influencer partnerships, and trade shows. Highlight the benefits of canned products, such as convenience, freshness, and sustainability. 11. Feedback and adaptation. Gather feedback from customers and stakeholders to continuously improve your products and operations. Stay informed about industry trends and consumer preferences, and be prepared to adapt your business strategy accordingly. Starting a business requires careful planning, investment, and dedication, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.